Hi there. You want your users to log into your website to perform a certain action, but at the same time, you want them to go back to the original page from where they were redirected to the login page. So to be more specific, you have placed a button which makes the user go to the login page, and you have put that button in a product page, in a single post, or any other place where the URL of the page is changing with each other product and page. So how do you make sure that within a dynamic URL, you are redirecting a user to your login page, but at the same time, the moment they log in, how do you make sure that the same user is going back to the previous page without getting confused, without trying to find that specific page? So let me show you how you can do that with the help of JetFormBuilder. You can actually create a login form. You can make sure that after the login, the user goes back exactly to the previous page from where they came to the login page in the first place. So let's get started.
So right now you can see this is the home page of my website, and we have 4 posts. In each of the posts, I have added a button that goes to the login page. So you can see here, and it is added with the help of Elementor's single post template. Each time someone, let's say it's a website where you want to do a purchase, but before doing the purchase or some specific action, you're supposed to log in. But the problem is that once you send the user to the login page, and let's say they log in, first I'll go ahead and log out. So right now, if I'm the visitor and I'm redirected to the login page, put my username and password, click on submit, see, nothing is happening. And even if I want to go back to the old page from where I came, there is nowhere right now to do that because button is available on multiple posts. So I cannot just put one redirect URL. Even if you come here, and this is the JetFormBuilder. So I already have one post submit actions, and that's the user login. So if I add another action with a redirect URL, if you can see here, redirect to page, and if I edit this action, you can see here that I have option of, let's say, redirect to a specific static page. I can put on a custom URL, but that's not going to work because there are multiple posts from which the login page is being triggered, and I want this process to work automatically. I want my users to go back to the previous page automatically from where they came in the first place. So now what you need to do is you need to make sure that you have this redirect action, but right now you want to add another field which should be hidden. So you search here, hidden field, and I'll just mention it again. This is actually JetFormBuilder. So now that's it. Currently right now we have one hidden field, and that hidden field I'll put a name of the hidden field as referrer URL. Now in this hidden field, we will select a field value which will be saved and added, but it won't be visible to the user, and that field value would be referrer URL. So this referrer URL will actually help save the URL of the previous page, and then we can easily add it to our redirect action. So now click on JetForm again, go back to your redirect action, edit this action, and here we'll choose custom URL. Inside the custom URL, I'll remove everything. It is supposed to be empty. I'll click on this wrench icon, and inside here you can see I have the third hidden field tag, which is basically referrer URL. I'll choose this, and this will automatically put in the value of this field, and I'll show you how it works. So I'll click on update. I'll click on update here. Now let's go to our post, and I'll first refresh the website. Let's say right now I'm on this post, and inside this post I click on login now. So from here, if I could go to the inspect element, and you can see here that we have another field which is hidden. It doesn't appear, but if you look at the value of the field, it is basically the URL of the previous page. You can see that. And just to show you that it would automatically change all the time from whatever page you came to the login page. So if I go to this, the first one, and here I click on login now again, you see here it is being changed. That's how it works. Now it should work perfectly fine. let's go ahead and log out from the website. We'll go to the home page. I'll open up the post, and inside the post I just went to the login page for some specific action, and here I'll put in my username and password. I'll click on submit. After submitting, I came back to the original page from where I was coming. And just to prove you that this works perfectly fine even if I am coming from any other post, so I'll go ahead and log out again. I'll go to the home page. Let's select this one, and here I'll click on login now. So I came to this login page. I'll click on submit, and that's it. You go back to your old page. So that's how it works, and it's possible with JetFormBuilder. I hope this helps out, and have a great day. Bye bye.